In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create markdown sales on eBay, perfectly tailored for beginners. Whether you're looking to boost your sales or just get familiar with eBay's promotional tools, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of markdown sales for your eBay store. To start off, open the Promotions Manager on your eBay account. The Promotions Manager is your go-to tool for creating and managing sales events and other promotional activities. You'll typically find this tool in the Seller Hub, under the Marketing or Promotions section. Once you're there, you're ready to start creating your very first markdown sale. Next, select the option labeled Sale Event Plus Markdown. This is where the magic happens. The Sale Event Plus Markdown allows you to set up sales that make your items stand out with attractive discounts, capturing potential buyers' attention. When you choose this, eBay provides you with the framework to easily start managing markdown events that can effectively increase your inventory turnover rates. Now that you've chosen the Sale Event Plus Markdown option, it's time to select which listings you want to include in this sale and set the discount you wish to offer. Be strategic about the items you choose. Consider selecting products that have been in your inventory for a while or those that are most popular and can benefit from a pricing incentive. As you select your items, decide on a discount percentage that is both attractive to buyers and sustainable for your bottom line. Remember, the goal is to spark interest without compromising your profits too significantly. This stage is crucial, because the right products at the right discount can significantly drive sales. Finally, it's time to save and run your sale. Before hitting the Save button, double-check your selections and discount settings to ensure everything is in order. Once you're satisfied, saving and launching the sale will make it active on your listings for all to see. Don't forget to promote your sale through your eBay store's marketing channels to maximize visibility. Running a sale is not just about setting the discount. It's also about ensuring as many potential buyers as possible hear about it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a markdown sale on eBay that can help increase visibility and move products more swiftly off your virtual shelves. Remember, each sale provides valuable insights into what your buyers are looking for. So take note of what works well and apply those lessons to future promotions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope your eBay sales see a boost. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your online selling experience. Happy selling!